Did you know that just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds pack more omega-3s than a serving of salmon, more calcium than a glass of milk, and as much fiber as a full bowl of oats? Stay tuned to find out why chia seeds might be the ultimate superfood you've been missing. Welcome to Hello Vegan Eats TV. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods and spotlighting one tiny but mighty seed, chia seeds. The term superfood gets thrown around a lot, but chia seeds truly live up to the hype. They're nutrient-dense, versatile, and easy to incorporate into almost any diet. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or support your overall health, chia seeds offer something for everyone. In this video, we'll break down why chia seeds are considered a nutritional powerhouse and why they should be a staple in your kitchen. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a balanced and healthy diet can feel overwhelming. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, many of us end up relying on quick, processed foods that lack essential nutrients. This can lead to issues like low energy, poor digestion, and even long-term health problems. We often hear about the importance of nutrient-dense foods, but finding options that are both accessible and easy to use can be a challenge. That's where chia seeds come in. These tiny seeds are not just another trendy health food, they're a solution to many of the common nutritional challenges we face today. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why chia seeds are a game changer. Let's talk about what makes chia seeds so incredible. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s, which are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting heart health. Unlike fish-based omega-3s, chia seeds are vegan-friendly and easy to add to meals. Packed with fiber, chia seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, supports gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Just one serving provides nearly half of your daily fiber needs. High in antioxidants, antioxidants in chia seeds help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and slowing down the aging process. They also support skin health and boost your immune system. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and protein, chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and plant-based protein, making them a great option for strengthening bones, muscles, and overall physical health. Versatility: you can use chia seeds in so many ways. From chia puddings and smoothies to adding them to baked goods or sprinkling them on salads, they're one of the easiest superfoods to incorporate into your diet. What's even more impressive is their ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, creating a gel-like consistency. This makes them excellent for hydration and a perfect addition to recipes. Let me share a real-life example that highlights the power of chia seeds. Jane, a working mum of 2, struggled with constant fatigue and digestive issues. She decided to make one simple change, adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to her morning smoothie every day. Within just a month, she noticed significant improvements in her energy levels and digestion. She felt fuller for longer, reducing her mid-morning cravings, and even experienced better skin health thanks to the omega-3s and antioxidants in the seeds. Jane's story is just one of many examples of how chia seeds can transform your health. Whether you're looking for more energy, better gut health, or just a way to supercharge your meals, chia seeds deliver real results. To recap, chia seeds are a true superfood. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium. They're versatile, easy to use, and can be incorporated into almost any diet. If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to boost your overall health, chia seeds are the perfect solution. It's no wonder they've earned the title of ultimate superfood. Have you tried chia seeds? I'd love to hear how you use them. Leave a comment below with your favorite recipes or tips. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other video on the top superfoods to add to your diet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.